Hi, I'm Joan Lok. In my next landscape workshop, we'll focus on the painting of boats. Boat is a very unique addition to Sumi-e landscape, especially if you want to paint a river, shoreline, and between the gorges, and also ocean or seascape. And in boat in a Sumi-e workshop is unique in a way that we usually have it as fishing boats. So in this workshop, we'll actually focus on the painting of different kind of simple fishing boats that usually appear in Sumi-e landscape. We'll talk about all this. We'll first of all focus on how long fishing boat look like, and then we'll also work on those that can also double as a houseboat if the fishermen want to stay for a few nights. Or we'll also work on larger ships that could be those that transport goods and merchandise along the river. So these are the common boats and ships that you will find in a Sumi-e landscape. Of course, we are not going to add ocean liners and cruise ships for our landscape. And in this particular workshop, we'll also work on what if the boat is actually bigger with more details. So we'll work on a artwork together that we have a main boat that you can see all the features of the boat, but we'll also discuss if you want to have the boat at a very distant, how to represent it stylistically so you can see them, as little dots on the distance. And then for our workshop that we'll paint together, we'll use what we call the one river, two shores compositions. So basically one river, two shores. And then after doing that, I will also talk about where should the boat placement be to have a good compositions to encourage eye movement. And last but not least, at the end of the workshop, our demo piece that we'll paint together would be a classic composition of a long fishing boat in a almost frozen pond. And then we'll have weed, we'll have various structures that you typical to find them in a shoreline. And this particular composition of a long fishing boat in a pond is inspired by a very famous poem, and we'll share the history and also the meaning of the poem with you as well. So I hope to see you in our boat workshop focusing on painting different kinds of boats and ships that carry goods and also for fishermen. So you can add them to your Sumi landscape to add interest. Thank you. I hope to see you. Bye-bye.